Before we learn the steps of basics, cut. Okay. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Cut. That's just like, I forgot the subscription part. Cut. Okay. Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today. In this video, I have prepared a fun dance known as swing. For this video, I'm going to introduce a follower's basic step. So without further ado, let's get to it. Before we learn the steps, let's go ahead and go through the proper posture for swing dance. Since swing dance is a Latin dance, we are going to keep a beautiful Latin dance posture. Our feet are going to be in nice slight V shape, heels together, toes are slightly apart, ankles, knees, hips and shoulders are nicely stacked up, our abs are engaged, chest open and shoulders down. From there, imagine someone is pulling you up straight towards the sky so you feel elevated throughout. Now, it is time for us to learn the follower's basic step for swing. For your ease of learning, I'm going to switch my view into a mirror view image so it's easy for you to follow along. In order to take the steps in swing, we're going to take a step to the side with the right foot. 1, 2, 3. The other side to the left, side together, side, and step back with the right. Replace weight back to the left. That's it, one more time. Side together, side to your right, side together, side to your left. Go back with the right, replace your weight. Triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step. Very good. I'm going to turn around so that you guys can see me from the other angle. Our feet are together. I'm going to take a step to the right, side together, side together, side, rock, step. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, rock, step. Our footwork is going to be ball, 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 flat as you're taking the triple step. Ball, 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 flat, ball, 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 flat, ball, flat, ball, flat. Ball, 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 flat, ball, 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 flat, ball, flat, ball, flat. Very good. Now, it is time for us to focus on the timing of swing dance. I'm going to count it out for you guys in different ways that we count swing dance, so it's easy for you to retain the musicality of swing dance. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 2, 2, rock, step, quick, 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 slow, slow. 1, 2, 2, 2, slow, slow, quick, 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 rock, step. As you can see, there's plenty of different ways that people are going to count out swing. So our main focus should be to get comfortable with the idea of the timing and musicality of swing dance in various ways that people are going to count swing dance. Now, it is time for us to try together to the music. Keep a nice posture. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 2, 2, rock, step. Keep it light on your toes. No skipping, guys. Very good. Now that we've tried together to the music, let's briefly talk about an important technique of swing dance. One of the important techniques in swing is sway motion. In order to practice our sway motion, I'm going to have you stand apart in about a shoulder width and bring your shoulders side by side and allow your shoulders to lead your hip back and forth. This nice wavy motion horizontally is known as sway motion. So as you're doing the triple steps side by side, I am focusing on adding the sway motion into a play. I'm going to demonstrate it for you guys so that it's easy for you guys to see it and follow along. As I'm going to the right, my right side of the shoulder gets activated, leading the way into a nice sway motion. And same when I'm going to the left, my shoulder gets activated and leading my feet and hips to sway along. Let me show you in a full version of the basic step with a sway motion involved. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, rock, step, sway, and rock, step. So make sure that you are dividing your upper body from below, just to make sure that your sway motion is being activated and practiced throughout. Thank you so much guys for joining me today. I hope you guys had so much fun dancing swing with me, and I look forward to seeing you guys next week with a leader steps for swing. If you like our videos, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos. See you next week. Bye!